Hey everyone, this is CNA Gupta. So after the tweet of Nimla ma'am, Mr. Nilekani, he came forward and he said that expect system to be stabilized this week. I was like, seriously? Infosys is saying that this system will be stabilized by this week. I'm like, okay, fine. Usually things take time, usually website designing take time, portal take time. But what about the wasted time? Since 1st June, we are not able to work. And today, on 10th June also, this website is not ready. We are not able to do anything. Even it takes almost 5 minutes to do the login. That's okay, fine. That also bearable. But what about, let's take an example. 31st March of the following year is usually the last date to file the ITR for the previous financial year with the late fees. But if we miss the deadline, we are not able to file the ITR even with the late fees. Like in this year, 31st March was the last date, and on that date portal was not working. And later on, we also not received any extension. But after few months, we received extension because of the COVID-19. Not because of the technical glitches that we were faced on the 31st March. So who is responsible for all these things? If technical glitches were there on 31st March, we should have an extension on 1st of April only. But that was not there. Lots of people suffered. And what about the common people who actually was trying to call me and like, see, not just me, but for everyone, normal people was not aware about the extension. They were calling on 1st April, ma'am, is there an extension? But later on there is an extension. Obviously, they are not aware about these things. But if we are late, then in that case, we have to bear the late fees, we have to bear the penalty, we have to bear the interest. But if department is late, then it's okay. We'll take another 1 week. That's okay. Like, is this the system of India? Is this how our government is working? It's totally pathetic. And what they are saying in this article, because of the Nimla ma'am Twitter was flooded with this complaints, Nimla ma'am tweet this thing, and then later on Nilekani came to inform these things. Otherwise, that will also not happen if normal people will not complain. This is the system actually. As per me, if there is a delay, you should inform beforehand that yes, there is a delay of 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. We need this much of time, but that was not there actually. See, in the year 2019, that was announced, that contract is awarded to Infosys. So on that day, I was thinking that yes, I have a good expectations. I have a better expectation from this company that we may have a good website. That the refund process that actually takes 63 days, that would be comes down to 1 day. That's okay, but refund will come when we are able to file the ITR. When we are not able to do it, then obviously refund will not be there. I'm happy you take 63 days to provide the refund, but at least do it. But in this case, I'm not able to work even. I already wasted 10 days, and that means lots to me. Because I can understand what is the pressure of the deadline, what is the pressure of the last dates. And later on, no one will care about this thing. I mean, like department will not care anything. We have to suffer. We have to keep on tweeting. We have to ask inform the income tax department by calling, by emailing that yes, please extend the deadline because your system is not working, your website is not ready. But they will not listen. So I don't think so that this behavior is appropriate. If the website was not ready, we should inform earlier first of all, and later on, I mean, like earlier they took 7 days. They can inform like, okay, fine, the website will not be ready in 10 days. We will announce on 11th. That's okay. We'll manage on that time. But later on, when it's live, it should be there with all the qualities or with all the features. Because I think department already know that what are the technical glitches. Because this is not a new thing. And even this is not the pressure that this website is facing now, that as compared to the last date pressure. What will happen on the 31st March, 31st July or 31st August? I mean, like whenever there's a last date, what would happen on those days? And who will be responsible for these things? I'm in such a worry, like we have to complete our work, I think, before 20 days. Otherwise, we are not able to work on this kind of website. Let's see what I mean, Mr. Nilekani is having for us, what Nimna ma'am is doing for us. I'm totally in a doubt. And yes, one more thing, that Infosys had also developed the GST network portal used for GST payment return filing. The software major had faced flag for slow function of the GSTN portal, and department still not get the lesson that if that company was not able to perform good in the GST network, GST website, then how for the ITR? How it will perform for the income tax? I don't know. I don't know where our nation is leading, where income tax, a kind of thing that we people are facing these kind of issues. This is such a bad thing as per my understanding, and I like I'm totally speechless here. On 10th June, people are complaining that they are not able to download Form 26AS, they are not able to do the login, and we have no answers for it. And we have only one answer: just wait and watch, because this is the only thing that we guys can do. But yes, okay, fine. As Mr. Nilekani said that it will stabilize in a week. Let's wait for a week and see how good this website for this for our like for users like us. Let's see.